Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back with me Ryan Zulfadli. Hello everyone, welcome to my educational journal. So this is very important in my life, especially as long as you too. And so this is the important educationals for university. Today, I'm going to talk about something very big in my life. Well, talk out plan to continue my studies at the International Islamic University Malaysia, or we can call it IIUM or UAA. Why IIUM? For me, this isn't just a bike ride abroad. IIUM is a place where modern science meets spiritual values. In this video, I will share my step-by-step plan from direct research to mental preparation for living in the garden of knowledge and virtue. If you share the same dream, stay tuned until the end. Next, philosophy in major selection. The first step in my planning was understanding the campus identity. AIUM has the motto leading the way. What I fell in love with was the concept of integration of knowledge. This means that when I study economics, I'm not learning about capitalism, but also the Islamic perspective within it. Currently, I'm focusing my research on network engineering, or we can call in Melayu Kuliah of Engineering. I have analyzed their curriculums on the official websites, and I recommend you do the same. Make sure all the courses are relevant to your career goals for the next 5 or 10 years. Okay, next, the third steps is language strategy, or we can call APT and APT. This is the main gateway. IIUM uses English as the medium of instruction, but uniquely, although some courses are in Malaysia, will also be exposed to Arabic. Wow. English placement test. My goals is to get a high enough search score to directly enter the faculty without having to take the language matriculation class, or we can call some CALPAD. I am currently preparing for IELTS practice because they are minimum score minimum they are scored 6.0. Yeah, exempts me from the APT. Arabic placement test. So this is the very important. We have to study Arabic. Basically, we have to communicate Arabic. Even though my major isn't Islamic, of course, studies, all students are required to take this test. My studies, the relearn and review the basic of Arabic. Yeah, we can call the curriculum. They are Nahu and Sorof. They may be like mini vocabularies from my old study. Yeah, it's Arabic. So I don't have to start from scratch there. Number four, administration and visa timeline. So of course this is very important too. Planning abroad without timelines is a disaster. So why? IIUM has two main intakes. There are two main. September, the largest, and next February. Okay, next. Sorry, number five, financial preparation and scholarship. This is very important to me because scholarship are one of the most beneficial things during my time at IIUM. Let's talk numbers. Studying in Malaysia is indeed more affordable than Australia or UK, but it all requires planning. Remember, but it is still requires planning. Student fees. I'm preparing to note that fees at IIUM are paid per semester. I'm preparing to create a budget, yeah, for tuitions, books, and insurance. And next to living costs. So it is very interesting. Yeah. Gumbak. Yeah, do you know Gumbak? Gumbak might not be as expensive as a central Kuala Lumpur, but I have to maintain a healthy lifestyle. I'm planning to a budget for eating. Yeah, from my daily, I can eat at local food stalls known for their delicious and affordable price. Scholarship. I'm also preparing and researching international IIUM scholarship, such as the Humanitarian scholarship, or we can go external scholarship from the Indonesia government. The key is to prepare as organizational portfolio now. Okay, number six. Sorry. No, no, sorry. So back to number four. 6 months before, I have prepared a passport with a validity of at least 24 months. So yeah, yes, you must underline. I repeat again. 6 months before, you have to prepare a passport with a validity of at least 24 months. Understand? Okay, next to VAL or visa approval letter process. This is the most stressful. So why? Process for international students, we have to apply to FMGS Malaysia. In my plan, I must submit the documents about 3 months before departure. So why? Because this bureaucratic process cannot be expedited. Number six, life at Mahala and culture. This is the important thing I'm most looking forward to is being able to live in the Mahala, or we can call dormitory, and outside the dormitory. So yeah, maybe around one semester I would like to live in dormitory, and next year or next semester I would like to live on the outside of the dormitory. Maybe this the experience is very nice, so we can communicate and we can get there are lots of friends and relationships or networking, so we can easy to get access for new friend or there are lots of networking. Okay, at IIUM we not only meet Malaysians. Fun fact, there are lots of like friends from each different country, especially Bosnia, Nigeria, Uzbekistan, India, maybe there are lots of different country. My plan is to train intercultural communication. So yeah, this is very important. You must underline this communication. So if you don't want to just hang out with fellow Indonesian, of course you must study intercultural communication. So yeah, we have to learn how their culture works. Of course, obviously, while we get some enter University Islam of Malaysia, so yeah, we get culture shock. So why? Because we are get different habit or behavior. There are lots of people who difference from our country. My country, especially from Indonesia. Okay, these are simulations of being a real citizens of the world. So yeah, this is very nice and very important things from your life. Okay, conclusion. So this my for university planning for IIUM. It does seems like there's a lot to prepare from my documents to mental my preparations, but I also believe those who are serious will make it. I wish you guys to smooth journey. And for those of you who are also striving to study abroad, and maybe you can get course or we can get additional study, just don't give up. We're in this together. Okay, thank you for watching. And let me know if you have any questions about IIUM. See you in Gombak.